Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best framing nailers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, these tools are essential for tackling projects like framing, decking, and fencing. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Numax SFR 2190 Pneumatic 21-degree framing nailer. This is a budget-friendly option that's perfect for homeowners and DIYers who need a reliable tool for occasional projects. It's designed for framing, subfloors, roof decking, and even wood fencing. The standout feature here is the one-piece hardened steel drive blade, which ensures durability and resistance to damage. Plus, the anti-dry fire mechanism prevents empty firing, helping to extend the tool's lifespan. The ergonomic comfort grip handle makes it easy to use during extended sessions, and the 360-degree adjustable exhaust is a nice touch, allowing users to direct air away from their face. While it's not the lightest nailer at 8.58 pounds, its solid construction ensures it can handle tough jobs. The dual-mode trigger lets you switch between sequential and bump firing for precision or speed, and the tool-free depth adjuster is a time saver when working with different materials. However, this nailer is best suited for lighter-duty applications, as it lacks the refinement and advanced features of higher-end models. It's ideal for homeowners on a budget, but professionals may find it limiting. If you're looking for a reliable entry-level nailer under $100, the Numax SFR 2190 is hard to beat. At number 4, we have the Freeman PFR 2190 Pneumatic 21-degree framing nailer. This tool strikes a balance between affordability and robust construction, making it a great choice for moderate to heavy-duty applications. Built with a one-piece hardened steel drive blade and anodized aluminum components, this nailer is designed to withstand wear and tear over time. The anti-dry fire mechanism and dual-mode trigger add versatility and reliability, giving users the option to switch between precision and speed. The Freeman PFR 2190 also features a tool-free depth adjustment wheel, allowing you to adapt to different materials with ease. Its no-mar safety tip prevents damage to your work surfaces, while the comfort grip handle helps reduce fatigue during long projects. Weighing 8.5 pounds, it's slightly heavier than other models, but its durability and performance make up for the extra weight. The inclusion of a blow-molded case adds value, making storage and transport convenient. This nailer is a solid mid-range option. While it doesn't offer premium features like magnesium construction or advanced depth control, it's reliable, durable, and backed by a generous 7-year warranty. If you're tackling framing, subfloors, or fencing, and want a tool that can handle frequent use, the Freeman PFR 2190 is worth considering. At number 3 is the Metabo HPT NR90 ADS1 framing nailer. This model is a fantastic choice for professionals and serious DIYers who need a lightweight yet powerful tool for framing, roofing, and housing construction. Weighing just 7 pounds, it's one of the lightest nailers on our list, making it easy to maneuver and reducing fatigue during long projects. Despite its lightweight design, it packs a punch, driving paper-collated nails ranging from 2 inches to 3/4 inches with ease. The selective actuation feature allows you to switch between sequential and contact nailing with a simple flip of a switch. The tool-free depth adjustment is precise and easy to use, ensuring you can countersink nails or flush drive them, depending on your project needs. One of the standout features is the 30-degree magazine, which provides better access in tight corners and angles, a must-have for challenging framing jobs. Overall, the NR90 ADS1 is a versatile and efficient tool, but it's best suited for professionals who can fully leverage its capabilities. The lack of premium materials, like magnesium, may leave durability concerns for heavy-duty use. However, with a 5-year warranty and Metabo HPT's solid reputation, this framing nailer is a dependable and ergonomic choice for demanding tasks. Coming in at number 2 is the Metabo HPT NR90 AES1 framing nailer, a powerhouse that combines lightweight construction with exceptional performance. Weighing just 7.5 pounds, This nailer is easy to handle and reduces fatigue during prolonged use. It's no surprise that it's been rated the Pro Preferred Nailer by Builder and Developer magazine for 7 consecutive years. This nailer is ideal for flooring, roof decking, and framing, accepting 2-inch nails to 3.5-inch plastic collated nails. The selective actuation switch allows for quick transitions between sequential and bump firing, making it versatile for various applications. The toolless depth adjustment ensures precision, whether you're countersinking nails or driving them flush. The build quality is impressive, with a well-balanced design that feels sturdy in hand. While it doesn't have advanced features like dual nose pieces for metal connectors, it excels in reliability and ease of use. With a 5-year professional warranty, the NR90 AES1 is a great choice for contractors and heavy-duty DIYers looking for a durable, high-performing tool at an affordable price point. If you want a nailer that's lightweight, versatile, and built for professional-grade projects, this one deserves serious consideration. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bostitch F21PL Framing Nailer, the premium option on our list. This tool is packed with features that make it a standout choice for professionals. It's essentially 2 nailers in one, thanks to the quick change nose pieces that allow you to switch between framing and metal connector applications. The patented push-button depth guide lets you set nails to your desired depth with unmatched precision. What sets the F21PL apart is its lightweight magnesium construction, which combines durability with reduced weight. At just 8.15 pounds, it's manageable for extended use, and the adjustable rafter hook adds convenience when working on high structures. It accepts plastic collated nails ranging from 1.5 inches to 3.5 inches, making it versatile for a variety of projects, from framing to specialized metal connector tasks. The only downside to this nailer is its price tag. It's the most expensive on our list. However, for professionals who demand top-tier performance and reliability, the investment is well worth it. With its robust construction and innovative features, the Bostitch F21PL is the ultimate framing nailer for demanding applications. If budget isn't a concern and you want the best of the best, this is the tool for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.